Learning how and when to safely pass a truck on the road is a matter of life and death. You must be patient. Determine when it is safe to pass and follow the guidelines for safe passing. Head-on crashes due to improper or unsafe passing are often fatal, and according to the Texas Department of Transportation, there were 638 people killed in head-on crashes in 2016. When traveling on a level road, it takes approximately 3 to 5 seconds longer to pass a truck than a car. A truck often loses speed when traveling uphill and gains momentum when traveling downhill. Before you decide to pass a truck, make sure that you're in a legal passing zone. Scan the road for oncoming traffic and be sure that the passing maneuver can be completed safely. Don't follow too closely. Check your mirrors and your blind spots by looking over your shoulder. Judging distances can be tricky, so if you determine that the passing maneuver is unsafe, then don't. Be sure you have plenty of time and space to overtake the truck and return to your lane before committing to the passing maneuver. Look for oncoming traffic, signal left, check your mirrors, blind spot, and accelerate to pass. You may not exceed the speed limit to complete a passing maneuver. Do not return to the right lane until you are fully able to see the truck you are passing in the rearview mirror. Be sure to signal right after you make the pass and before you return to the right lane. And don't forget to check your rearview mirror and to turn off your blinker after you've completed the passing maneuver.